Hello friends, welcome to another vlog. Today I am traveling from Dubai to India back home. My flight is from Sharjah airport.
You can kill me, you thought you could get away, but you never gonna get away.
So this is going to be my place for next 2 weeks. I was kind of a little bored in the hotel because of the room.
Coming with the yeah,
It was a good hotel, but then there was no flexibility to cook. So I decided to move into this service apartment. It's pretty good. It's pretty clean and spacious.
never gonna get away. You can kill me, you thought you could get away, but
फिर मुझे वो करना था जिसको करने में किसी को भी मजा नहीं आता। हाँ हाँ, मैं पैकिंग की बात कर रहा हूँ, पैकिंग की। I have left for the airport. It's an amazing, bright, sunny day. I love the amazing landscaping along the road. I mean, it's commendable to maintain this kind of greenery in a hot country. Finally have reached Sharjah airport. It's not very crowded. However, due to COVID, the queues are moving very slow. mainly checking of the RT-PCR test reports, etc. आपने सुना ही होगा शॉक बड़ी चीज है। जी हाँ, बिल्कुल, मैंने कहा शॉक बड़ी चीज है। The airport is not big. I mean, there is no comparison between Dubai and Sharjah airport, but it's pretty nice. The private lounge at the airport is pretty nice. It's beautiful. It has a decent food court as well. अब वक्त आ गया है उड़ान भरने की। Due to the increasing number of cases, lot of security forces are deployed in the airport to ensure smooth transition of passengers. This time there is provision made for the passengers to take RT-PCR test in the airport itself. They're charging around 800 rupees. Once you give the sample, you are free to go.